सदाशिवसमारम्भां ज्ञानसम्बन्धमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment in 451 places through Nityananda TV and 41 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha in 222 cities in 27 countries around the world. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Ohio Prayag, Malaysia Palani, Seattle Chidambaram, Phoenix Kanchipuram, Chennai Alvarpet, Oklahoma Somanatham, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Hyderabad Bhagyanagaram, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Toronto Kailasam, San Jose Madurai, East London UK, Hong Kong Sirgari, Scottsdale Arizona, Adayar Chennai, Dubai Tirukkovilur, Black Diamond Canada, Priyankananda Malaysia, Slovakia Shivaloka, Oman Sivagangai, bus from Kumbapuri, standing in Devanahalli. All the sannyasis and sannyasinis of Dhyanapedam on the way, standing in Devanahalli. Bangalore Nityananda Vidyalaya, Singapore Singapuram, Bengaluru North, Chicago Srirangam, Charlotte Srisailam, Dakota Dunes, Madrid Spain, New York Varanasi, Port Washington New York. Hey Moksha Prince, what are you eating? Satsang is going on and you are eating something, okay. New York, Varanasi, all these fellows keep Nivedyam just to eat during Swasti Mantra time. Because I sip coffee during Swasti Mantra, they also eat Nivedyam. Atlanta, Ujjaini, Austin, Dakota Dunes, Bangalore, Marattahalli, and Paris, Kalighat, Brooklyn, London, Monterrey, Mexico, Vancouver, Puri, Devon, UK, and I read out all the center. Kulim, Malaysia, Bangalore, Bannerghatta, where? Oh, Bangalore, Bannerghatta, Hyderabad, Sri. Yes. Wow, Dakota Dunes, she wrote a painting, she did a card for me. Great, I accepted. I accepted the card. Blessings. Card is really pretty. Blessings, I accepted. What's her name? Hey, ask her name. So I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Nirahara Samyama, third level, 6th day, and the Samyama, 3rd day. Today we will start the satsang with the subject integrity. They are on one way. Bhupati, Mettur, Dhyanapetam. Blessings for the daughters Valaikappu. மகளுடைய வளைகாப்பிற்கு பூரண ஆசீர்வாதம். தாயும் சேயும் ஆனந்தமாக இருப்பார்கள். ஆல் ரைட். I'll continue on the subject of integrity. Listen. Listen. By nature, God built you with integrity. Your inbuilt, innate nature is integrity. That is why when you are integrated, you feel so full, complete. If there is a twist in your words inside you, listen. If there are twists inside you, for example, you are thinking this particular thing should happen, like you should get a job in this company. One part of you already started suspecting, I will not get it. Even if I get it, how do I know that is best? When these non-integrity thoughts have started happening, already you have become integrated for failure. Listen. When there is a knot in the thought, you are ready for failure. There were few devotees, unfortunately established in non-integrity. Listen. Non-integrity's first quality will be, you will feel everything is impossible. Everyone should know, if I am possible, if I can exist, if I am possible, there is nothing impossible. Impossible itself is I am possible. No, the lack of integrity is listen. Lack of integrity, first thing, diagnosis for lack of integrity. How? There are diagnoses for each disease. If you feel giddy, fainting, it can be low BP or high BP. How the diagnosis is there for each disease. If you have a continuous knee pain, joint pains, it can be arthritis. When you feel impossible in your life, you are suffering with a disease called lack of integrity. Lack of integrity. You need to sit and complete with you. a situation failing, you failing, your idea of you failing. Please listen. Situation failing, you failing, your idea of you failing, all these three is nothing but perverted integrity. Not only lack of integrity, you are integrated to your perversion. Listen. In the flesh and blood, which is matter, consciousness growing is the greatest miracle. When I is possible, how can anything be impossible? I know you are not convinced because you do not know the science. I know the science, that is why I am telling you. Your body is after all just a flesh and blood. Your brain has nothing special. Many don't even have a brain, that is different. Even if you have, there is nothing special. It is just little fat, muscle, put in a confused way. But consciousness is being experienced. This is the highest miracle, I tell you. When that miracle is possible, how can anything be impossible? The ideas you carry about your old failures, I tell you, every idea you carry about your past is wrong. Before changing your future, change your past. Unless you change your past, you can't change your future. Immediately you will think, how can I change my past? It has happened already. No. The idea you are carrying about your past is completely wrong. You are not carrying the past as it happened. You are carrying edited, sound added version. Whatever as it happened, you are not carrying. Some scenes you edited and threw it away. Some scene you added it, gave the effect, light effect, sound effect, mixer effect. All the sound effect, volume effect, music effect. The hangover you carry from the past is the disease you are suffering. And you are not going to be out of the disease unless you complete with the past. I tell you, the load of your past, perverted integrity, is prison. Making whatever you think as impossible into possibility is integrity. The idea impossible is nothing but lack of integrity. Why anything will not be possible? Not only when I say something, even in your life, you cannot have this in your constitution. Please understand. The conscious constitution. The word impossible cannot exist even in your conscious constitution. I tell you, I give you the one important key. Success happens when you don't bother about your successors. If you think your successors are the strength to make the success happen, never success will happen to you. Success happens when you stand as a unit, all by yourself. And you as an individual should be an organization by the strength you radiate. Successors join in your success if you are success. Listen. Others' failure does not declare you are going to be a failure. There are so many people, millions have committed suicide. Why not we try that then? Why then be alive? Why millions? Billions have died. Even all the people who lived hundreds of years, they are all dead. See, as per the past record, human beings die. Then why unnecessarily do any of this? Why don't we die? That's the right logic, na? Looks better, sharp, straightforward logic. They may not have had these four tattvas in their life. They may not have had the clarity and the strength of not giving up on people and not giving up on themselves. Why others tried and failed? See, basically it boils down to we not having confidence on ourselves and people who live around us are not having confidence on us. Because of that, you also don't have confidence on them. It is mutual lack of confidence and integrity. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is only impossible. Listen, nothing is impossible. Nothing is only impossible. Hare, I am telling you, more than the Sangha, what more miracle do you expect from me, which has been created in such a short span of time and standing even after so much of being beaten? This Sangha is the biggest miracle I have demonstrated. Come on, now listen, I have the right to teach you. When I am possible, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. You just need to carry the past without load. The inner space of possibility. Listen, I am not teaching you positive thinking. That is the biggest negative thinking ever can happen to you. Positive thinking is the biggest negative thingy can happen to you. Because the moment you start thinking positively, one corner of your mind is already laughing at you. So all your positive thinking is more like a comedian, not like hero. When a lion goes into the forest, he does not declare he is a king. Everybody knows he is a king. When integrity starts happening in you, you don't declare you are positive. Everybody knows you are positive. Lion does not declare his sovereignty. Integrity does not declare his positivity. Lion does not declare his sovereignty. He just makes everybody realize his sovereignty. Integrity does not declare he is positive. He just makes everybody experience positivity. Not having absence of the load of past negativity is integrity. Positivity means absence of load of past negativity is positivity. Then you just flow in positivity. You just flow in completion. I tell you, in every city, I need only one person who is a devotee. Nothing more is required. One person who lives this Chatur Vedas, 4 tattvas, out and out breathes this air. One person is enough. He will create an energy around him. Like an iron dust getting settled with magnet, all will come and settle. Why? In any city, even if one person with integrity and authenticity sits inside the forest becomes city. Look around. Don't think, because I am an incarnation, I did it. I promise you, keeping Kala Bhairava as a witness, I have not used a single of my extraordinary powers to build this organization. I have just done, I played completely inside the frame of human possibilities. It means anything which is possible for me is possible for you. Only in that frame I built this whole organization. I have not done some magic wand. I just moved the magic wand and the whole thing stood up. I played the whole game authentically inside the human possibility. And I tell you, any one of you will be able to play this game. Any one of you will be able to play this game. Just taking up to live the tattvas. If you just find little taste of these tattvas, means when you live the miracles, seeing the miracles, wow. Today I tried integrity, it clicked, it worked. Today I am trying authenticity, it is working. When I am inauthentic, it is failing. Just that understanding, clicking with these sacred secrets, truths. Continuously do completion. Unload the effects of your past from your inner space. I tell you, continuously listen to your inner being. Continuously do the completion. Again and again and again. Feeling powerful inside will make everything success for you. Everything success for you. Feeling powerless inside, nothing will be success for you. If a success happens, if when you are feeling powerless, it is accident, not success. Accidental success. When you are feeling powerful inside, never ever failure enters even in your breathing space. There is no such thing as practicality. Listen, practicality is the most impractical thing on the planet Earth. Whenever you talk, you wanted to say something is impossible. First thing you say, see, practically let us see. I tell you, there is no such thing as practicality. Practicality is the most impractical thing. In the name of practicality, you make yourself completely impractical and impossible. Most practical thing means bury yourself by yourself. Even for that, you will not be able to get somebody and pay. You yourself dig a pit and get into it, and you yourself fill it. If somebody else fills it, who will pay them? 500, 600 rupees. That is the most practical thing. Idea of practicality is nothing but suicidal because it comes from past. Don't live even one more day if you have not made something impractical as practical today. What you and others understand? You have 1,000 eyes. 2 eyes on your body, 998 on others' bodies who are around you. Whatever looks impractical to those 1,000 eyes, make it as practical every day. If not, don't live. Better to pack up. This happens only when you don't carry the load of the past, when you are in completion. So continuously complete. 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 Out of completion, out of your authenticity, when you start the Annalaya, naturally you will attract authentic people. Listen, any human being has authenticity and inauthenticity both. If you behave authentically, you will bring the response of authenticity from the same person out. This Gurukul kid is playing by focusing the mirror on my face. This fellow is having the mirror in the hand, looking at the other side, this side and that side. You understood or not? You only raise the hand, drop the mirror. Complete both with your distant past, which is your root patterns from childhood, and from your recent past, which is your non-integrated moments in your day-to-day living of the past few hours. Both contribute to incompletion in your life. What I am doing is with completely integrity and authenticity. That is why I have no problem of the human resource. Even though I don't have humans, I have resource. You can make anybody authentic, integrated, when you live authentic integrity, integrated authenticity. Responsible enriching, enriching responsibly. I have the resource because I am the real source. When you understand you are the real source, that is the resource you need. I tell you, anybody who becomes authentic, their department never lacks volunteers. Staff or volunteer always are there. Only when you lack in integrity and authenticity? Because you are the creator. Make it very clear to yourself and to others. You are the source. Success or failure is decided first by you, inside you, then it is expressed outside you, by you. You make the balloon, you blow the balloon. After it is blown with the air, don't blame the shape. You made the shape and you blew the air. Oh, I expected heart in shape. Come on, it came like my tummy. If you have made the balloon like your tummy, it will come only as a tummy. It will not come in the heart shape. It will not be heart in shape. Many times things you make to look like Anagata looks like Manipuraga. No, I made this balloon to look like Anagata only, but finally it became Manipuraga, like my tummy. Segment of the morning satsang. I bless you all who are sitting with us around the world at this moment. 686 places through Nityananda TV, 42 places two-way video conferencing, in 295 cities in 29 countries around the world. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.